Hey Adam, can you give us an overview of Radium and how it's solving key challenges in AI?
Happy to. Radium is solving key challenges in AI by enabling a lot of automation. Right now we're finding that a lot of the data science teams and deep engineering that are able to consume a lot of the raw resources in processing and storage are not always available within large corporations and enterprise. The enterprise right now is really trying to figure out how to do the best adoption. And what Radium has really been able to automate for are all of the processes and automation, from infrastructure automation, infrastructure efficiency, a lot of that large language model and generative AI technology, so that enterprise can come to a platform and be able to start to consume and deploy ROI-driven artificial intelligence and generative AI versus what is more of just a developer-focused environment that just has the specific tools for utility of development.
So Adam, what kind of industries and use cases are most benefiting from what Radium can do?
We're finding it's less specific about the industry and more about the application use itself. What we're really seeing at enterprise right now are the generative AI deployments are really, the latest craze within the utility driven. But what we're trying to really assist with and what we're seeing the biggest use case and utility is ROI driven use of generative AI. And in that specific realm, taking the enterprise data itself and customizing a large language model to include that very specific knowledge from the enterprise. So this can mean verticalization into healthcare, into agriculture and heavy industry, and into things like automotive. Wherever you can really attach generative AI is where we're seeing the fastest, quickest uptick in adoption of the technology.
Radium is all about building generative AI applications, whether they're agentic, large language models, foundation models, video models. One of the biggest pieces of any of this is access to a vast quantity of data. So having a fast, reliable platform such as VDURA is critical for anyone that's trying to use Radium, and allows us to provide a more holistic solution to everyone. So storage, again, is the backbone to any generative AI process, whether it's data you're using for retrieval augmented generation, or it's data that's being fed into a fine-tuning script. It's all about having vast quantities of data that's organized the right way, that's in the right place, and has fast access to each of the nodes. So VDURA storage is that centralized storage. So all of the GPUs are reading and writing from the same namespace, which makes it very easy to move data products across from one server to another without having to tax the interconnect.
We've been really fortunate to have the support of NVIDIA. We graduated through the ranks in our earlier days and are now really within the realm of the largest and most well-capitalized and advanced NVIDIA cloud partners. So within that partner program, it's really been advantageous for all supply chain management. It's been huge credibility for us as we're expanding our footprint. So now we're actually giving forecasting into the next probably 10 data center deployments we have planned.
Great.
We're trying to do within this calendar year. We're hoping to have VDURA, of course, as a partner along with us through that process. And we're hoping to be able to have a larger voice where we're having VDURA join the NVIDIA ecosystem and really be a champion of the VDURA systems that we're able to showcase now through the Radium Cloud platform.
Great. Adam, BJ, thanks for the partnership. Thanks for the time, guys.
Yeah, absolute pleasure.